Make similar amount to what I made right here with CPA marketing just by following this simple strategy right now. So first of all guys, you want to just simply go on to registering for a CPA marketing platform. You could use Max Bounty right here, you could use OfferVolt, you could also go on to using CPA Grip or any other CPA marketing platform out there. This strategy is actually going to work for any CPA marketing platform which you do use right now. If you don't have an account, you'll be able to see a register icon right here. Click on that and you'll be brought to this page. Go on to filling out this form appropriately. For the publisher type, make sure you do select either the website / incense or the GPT. And once you're done with that, agree to the terms of services by checking out these boxes right here and register for your account. If you do successfully register for your account, you can then just simply go on to logging into your account, where you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. What you want to do right now is to just simply go onto the offer tools section, click on my offers, and you can actually go on to selecting any offer of your choice right here. You could go on to filtering offers to any country of your choice. Maybe if I want to promote offers to the United Kingdom demographic, I'm just going to go on to selecting that right here, and I will be shown offers available to this demographic right now. You can see a lot of offers right here which you could go on to promoting right now and start making some cool cash right here. You can see this one right now is for you to go on to claiming an Amazon gift card. So guys, right here from this pop-up, you can actually see more details about this your CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. You can actually see there is an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer, and the payout to this offer is $1.71. You could copy the link to this offer and go on to promoting it using this simple strategy. So what you want to do right now is to actually head on to this platform called canva.com, and right now on Canva you can then just simply go on to creating a simple promotional video for that particular CPA marketing offer. Just take a look at this simple video right here which I did create for a giveaway offer for a PlayStation 5, and you can actually just check out this right here. Look how cool and amazing this actually is. So it's actually directing people to the link in the description for a chance of winning. So what you want to do right now is to just simply head on to this particular platform called Canva, and do go on to clicking on videos, and if you do select videos right there, next you want to go on to selecting the mobile videos, and if you do go on to selecting mobile videos, it's actually going to go on to loading up a page where you can actually go on to creating a video yourself from scratch right now. So guys, what you want to do right now is just simply head on to this text section, and you could then just simply go on to adding a text. So now for that text right here, you could then just simply go on to adding, maybe writing something like grab a free Amazon gift card. And what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to go on to dragging this top section. I'm also going to go on to the element section and maybe go on to adding in a simple shape right now. Maybe if I do add in a shape such as this, I'm just going to go on to dragging that particular shape over this section right here. And once that is actually done, I'm then just going to go on to right clicking on this or changing the font color to that particular text right here, which I actually did. So you can see how that actually looks right now. So if I'm done, I'm just going to go on to adding a simple image right here for Amazon, just like how I actually did right here for this particular video. And you can see how it actually looks right now. Once you do add in an image, what you want to do is you go on to automating this particular text right here, or animating that text. If I highlight the text right now, I can then just simply go on to clicking on animate, and I can animate it to something like I actually do want right now. So you could also animate the image which you're actually going to add right there. And for the next scene, you also want to go on to put in something like this, which actually directs individuals to the link in the description of that particular video to stand a chance of winning that particular free gift card giveaway. So you want to just simply take out much of your time and create something cool and amazing right here on this platform called Canva, and you want to make sure that the video which you do create does not exceed a minute long right now. So once you do create a video, go on to clicking on share and download that particular video on your device. If you do download that video on your device, guys, you then want to just simply head on to this platform called youtube.com. Once you do head on to YouTube, you could just simply click on this plus icon, click on upload video, and once you do click on that, as you can see right now, you just want to go on to clicking on select file, and if you do select the file, you can go on to selecting that particular video which you downloaded on your device right now and start uploading that on YouTube right here. And you also want to just simply go on to grabbing the CPA marketing offer which you intend on promoting, copy the link, and actually do head on to platforms like tinyurl.com to actually make that URL quite better right now. So you want to just simply paste in that URL right here, click on shorten URL, and you can see the new URL that has actually been created for this offer. Copy the link to that URL and go on to pasting that particular link in the description of the video which you do upload right here on YouTube. And why are you doing so is because you've already driven their attention to the link in the description of the video to stand a chance of winning. And if they do go on to clicking on that particular link, they actually have to go on to completing a simple survey offer right there, which if they do complete successfully, you do get paid about $1.71 right here, and they actually do stand a chance of winning this 500 euros gift card right now for Amazon. So once you do go on to uploading that on YouTube right here, you should be able to go on to generating lots and lots of traffic to that particular video right there. And because that video is going to be a YouTube short, you generate traffic and you also start making money using this strategy right now, because a lot of people will go onto the description, click on that link, and stand a chance for earning that particular gift card giveaway. So why not just simply go on to using this exact same strategy right now to start promoting your CPA marketing offers in order to make some cool affiliate commission. And guys, if this video was helpful to you, make sure you do go on to smashing the like button, you do subscribe to this channel, and your notification bell is turned on all, so that I can always alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could actually be helpful to you in making extra income online. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching guys, and goodbye.